Conjugation of the verb to fish in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I fish. 2. Simple past, I fished. 3. Simple future, I will fish. 4. Present continuous, I am fishing. 5. Past continuous, I was fishing. 6. Future continuous, I will be fishing. 7. Present perfect, I have fished. 8. Past perfect, I had fished. 9. Future perfect, I will have fished. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been fishing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been fishing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been fishing. Conjugation of the verb to fish. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it fishes. 2. Simple past. He, she or it fished. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will fish. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is fishing. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was fishing. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be fishing. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has fished. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had fished. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have fished. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been fishing. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been fishing. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been fishing. Conjugation of the verb to fish. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they fish. 2. Simple past. You, we or they fished. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will fish. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are fishing. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were fishing. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be fishing. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have fished. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had fished. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have fished. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been fishing. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been fishing. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been fishing. Verb to fish forms. Present simple, I, you. We, they fish. He, she, it fishes. Past simple fished. Past participle fished. Ing form fishing.